here today to create our own parts of a face activity kit. This activity can be done in the classroom, at home, or anywhere as long as you have these materials. Construction paper for the face, separate pieces of paper, markers, sticky tape or tacks, and lastly, scissors. First, let's review all the different parts of the face. We need eyebrows to protect our eyes. We need eyes to see. We need a nose to breathe and smell. We need ears to listen. We need a mouth to eat and speak. Let's draw the different parts. Let's start making our faces. So first, we're gonna start with the eyebrows. I'm going to choose the pink ones. Place them right around here. Good. Because we're a little bit tired today, let's choose a tired looking set of eyes. Wow, this guy looks really tired. Look at those lines. Next, I'll choose orange nose. We need some ears too, right? I'll choose some yellow ears. Here, they should go around here. Perfect. Since he's a little bit tired looking today, we're still gonna give him a little smile. So I'll choose this mouth. He looks tired but happy, right? And for the extra part, how about give him a mole? Right around here. Perfect! How do you like the face? For the second face, I'm going to start with the eyes. I like this one. Ooh, okay, those are big eyes. And then we're gonna choose the eyebrows. Why don't we try a squiggly eyebrow? Ooh, wow, looks like a monkey a little bit. Now we are going to choose some Shrek ears. Should they go here or here? I think it looks good around here. Okay, for the nose, carrot, Rudolph, I think carrot. So place the carrot nose. And then for the mouth, he looks a little bit playful. So I'm going to choose playful looking mouth. Wow! And for him, I think I'm gonna give him some tears, some teary eyes. Oh. Should we give him some teardrops too? Wow, that's a sad looking face. This time, I want to create a surprised looking face like this. So let's start with the mouth. I think this one is pretty good. So place it right around here. And now for the eyes. Wow, he looks surprised already. Now for the eyebrows, I'll choose a green one For the nose, I think I want to use this one. So let's place it right around here. And let's give it some human-looking ears. Wow, how does it look? Does he look surprised to you? Try this activity yourself. Try many different versions. Imitate their facial expressions. And when you're finished, put them away in a box so you can use them again next time. Now, let's review all the different parts of a face. Bye-bye!
Look at the picture on the left and guess what it's called. Eyebrows. We need eyebrows to protect our eyes. Eyes. We need eyes to see. Nose. We need a nose to breathe and smell. Mouth. We need a mouth to speak and eat. Ears. We need ears to listen. Bye-bye. See you next time.